At Buckholz Smith, we do more than just fabricate with plastic. We offer fabrication and machining services of mild steel, stainless steel, and more. Buckholz Smith can meet all of your metal machining and metal fabrication needs. Whether you are looking for a small specialized order or mass production, we have a full range of equipment such as our CNC flatbed machines, our Haas multi-dimensional CNC machine, our traditional machine shop, our CNC robotic welder, and our CNC laser cutter. Contact us today by email or by phone to discuss your projects. Be sure to visit us online at www.plastictankshop.com for more information.